This is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. Welcome to this YouTube channel. I want to talk to you today about the IRS levy. IRS sends a series of levies and wage garnishments out for a reason, and it's generally because taxpayers did not go ahead and contact IRS back. Believe it or not, IRS does not want to send out wage garnishments or levies. They do because the taxpayer never got back with them to settle their case. As a former agent, I've issued probably thousands and thousands of levies and wage garnishments in my meaner days, but now I'm a lot softer and gentler, and I can help you get those released. So let me tell you about the process. IRS sends a series of CP notices out to taxpayers or to you. What should you do? Well, you should get a hold of a professional to go ahead and deal with that particular tax situation or tax debt. When you receive a CP 504, after that, 5 or 6 weeks later, a 1058 is going to come out. If you don't call IRS at that time and go ahead and talk to them about resolving your case, IRS is going to send a bank levy, a 668A, or a wage garnishment, a 668W out to the whoever you work for, and they're going to give the wages to Internal Revenue Service. There's a difference between the two levies. The 668A is a one-time shot only, and it goes to the bank. For your account to be levied over and over and over, they're going to have to reissue the 668A. The 668W, believe it or not, is a continuous levy. That's good for the life of that levy until it's released. So before you call IRS, you want to work through for an IRS financial statement, which your practitioner can go through with you, and you're going to wind up in one of three closing categories. You're either going to go into a hardship, which is currently non-collectible, which lasts maybe 1 or 2 years. They may recommend IRS and your practitioner a payment agreement, which about 6.5 million people end into a payment agreement, or you can end up with an offer and compromise, which about 22,000 people go ahead and settle their tax debt, for pennies on a dollar. So if you have any questions, you should go ahead and call your practitioner, who can go ahead and deal with the situation. There's two things, though, I recommend anytime you do before you call IRS. There's two things. You have to make sure all your tax returns are filed and up to date, which your practitioner can help you do, and/or you want to make sure you're current on your withholding or Social Security ES payments. You don't want to keep going through the loop of not owing any more taxes. So if you have any questions, go ahead and contact your professional. I'm sure they're going to be able to help you. But remember, get all your tax returns filed. Make sure your payments are up to date in this particular year on ES or withholding. And that's it. And then you can work on the back problem whenever you want. Thank you for listening. Appreciate you. Boom, me and my M&M man give you a big thumbs up.